Hello, my name is Farid, and in this video I will show you how I improved CLS of my Shopify app. I tweeted this in April, so there was problems with my CLS, and finally I was able to bring it down to 0, and I will show you the current state of the app. So it's literally 0 CLS, and I will show you what technique I was using to achieve this result. So let's go here. For one of my apps currently I have this problem again, so I will need to improve this. So let's go from real app and see how I'm going to debug this and try to improve this CLS here. So the problem now in this app and the CLS that I showed here is happening in this app, and I will show you how I'm debugging this. This is local version of my app, so I'm going to open the console. I'm using Chrome here, and then this is very important to go to Performance tab, and we are going to use this part here. It will help us to actually see the timeline of the page, how page is being rendered. So we are going to click on this button, and this is going to basically load all the page and record all the elements, recording order, so we can things we cannot see with our eyes, we will be able to see here basically. So now I'm just seeing how is page going to be rendered. So I'm checking it every second, and then I see here it's loading, and here something is happening in this phase. Like you can see that here, from here to here, there was a jump. So page is shifting basically down. So these elements you see here are basically shifting down, and that's how I found the problem, what's now causing this. So now, like, finding this is the most important part actually of this all this CLS improvement. If you find the reason, fixing it is most of the time is easy, but finding what's actually causing it is really hard. So I can clearly see that from here to here it's like causing CLS, and then there's no any other issues, like, because in other parts I'm showing loading and then the content is being filled. So that's, now I know that these parts is what's the problem. So you can see also by clicking here, I can see that because I'm checking it a bit later, the state, if onboarding is finished or not, that's actually changing how this behaves. So it goes from this to this. And now I can also clearly see that if I just change one element, it's going to shift. So this should not happen. These elements, this one and this one, all goes down when I'm clicking on this, and this is what we don't want. So I'm not going to show you how to fix this part, because everyone has their own structure of the app, and basically I'm going to make changes. I already did some changes to fix this. I'm just going to switch the branch. Check out, I made a branch called CLS, and all the changes are in that branch. So I'm going to refresh the page now, and let's clear these parts. So now I just applied the change. Now you see there is a 0 shifting on the page, nothing is moving anymore, this element staying stable here. And let me also verify this by looking to the performance again. Okay, this is ready now. Again, I'm just with my mouse going over page, and I can see that nothing is shifted here. So probably after applying this fix, I will see in this graphic should go down, That's going to be the only change I will apply today, and I also would recommend you, if you don't see many obvious things, I think this is biggest change because it's not like very high CLS here. We are already under the threshold, so I think that's what's going to help us a lot. And let me show you also other version, because it's very important to check your app in different states. You have onboarding not finished state, like your users see your app in different states. Like one may have like one product configured, one may have like different statuses. So you should check here every state of your app. That's very important. I see that's what people missing most of the time. So here, for example, like in the state where when someone is first time installed, they didn't finish any actions. Let's go and refresh and see what's going to happen. Preparing the data. Okay, and I can see clearly, like, let's go. Yeah, nothing happens. You see, like everything comes together and there's no any shift here. So I would call this a good CLS. So in this state I don't have any problems, so I would not spend too much time on this part. Also you can check other pages as well, but I think most important page is home page. This is what's going to be measured a lot, and that's what's people visiting, and somehow I think the most problems happening in the home page is being reflected in these graphics here. Yeah, I want to keep it short. So if you have some comments, let's discuss in comment section. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.